Welcome to this lesson, where we will explore how to sort the character of a string alphabetically using JavaScript. This is a fundamental operation that can be useful in tasks like dictionary sorting, anagram detection, and data normalization. We will walk through the logic behind sorting characters efficiently and implement a simple solution. Let's get started. In this problem, we need to take a string and arrange its characters in alphabetical order. The function should correctly sort letters while also handling numbers if they are included in the string. We will make use of JavaScript's built-in array functions to accomplish this efficiently. This function takes a string and sorts its characters alphabetically. It first spreads the string into an array so each character can become an individual element. Then, we use JavaScript's sort method combined with local compare, which ensures proper alphabetical sorting. Finally, the sorted characters are joined back into a string. This method works efficiently for both letters and numbers. The function follows a clear and structured approach. First, it breaks down the string into an array, sorts the characters using local compare, which ensures correct alphabetical ordering, and then rejoins them into a string. This approach makes the function both concise and efficient. This table showcases different test cases, demonstrating that the function correctly sorts characters alphabetically and numerically. Notice how numbers always appear before the letters? Because JavaScript sorts numbers first when using sort. The function also correctly handles repeating characters. Sorting characters in a string is a valuable operation in various real-world applications. It is essential for dictionary sorting, anagram detection, and cryptographic techniques. This technique also helps in search optimization, ensuring data is stored and retrieved efficiently. In summary, this function provides a simple yet effective way to sort characters within a string. It is widely used in data processing, sorting algorithms, and cryptographic applications. In the future, we can expand it to handle case sensitivity, support internationalized sorting, and optimize it for large data sets. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.